Oh, Nadir, you out of balance because of your tuhod. This is my mom, Michelle. Madam Michelle is resigning today.
Yan.
Yeah. Wow, very big black lips, ah.
Okay. Oh, too much pass, no?
Nawala ako.
Ba't doon wala?
This is Qatar fucking foundation. I love here.
Wait, ako yung crazy. May ginagawa. Ano ba yun? Oh my gosh.
Ano?
I'm scared now.
This is our lead barista,
About me.
LB, laging barista.
This is?
This is Nadir, the huge,
What is your name?
the black lip.
Your name is Nadir Abdul Jacob.
Michelle.
See, this is ID. Let's go down. Okay. We will update you more videos to come. No customer today, so we're cleaning. Yeah, we're cleaning. General cleaning. See, this is our pastries. This is Mappy cake. We're waiting for the delivery of the cake. See? We're gonna see our main reading, only 100 real.
Check.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, we're still cleaning, huh? Time check, 9:23. See, net sales only 100. Woo! We meet the target. Yeah!